With Live Home 3D, you can import an image of a floor plan and trace it to create a new project. The floor plan image will appear as the background in the 2D floor plan view. Before tracing this image, we should resize it to match the project scale. Let's explore how to match the image and your project scale. Create a blank project in Live Home 3D, then import the image of your floor plan using drag and drop or through the Import menu. It may not be clear at first that the image requires any adjustments. For that reason, we're going to use the Dimension tool. Before we proceed, there's an important thing to remember. We must preserve the original aspect ratio of the floor plan image. Otherwise, you may later find that your floor plan was stretched and a lot of work needs to be revised. So make sure that the Maintain Aspect Ratio is enabled in the inspector. Now open the Auxiliaries menu in the toolbar and select the Dimension tool. Place a dimension over a wall with a known size on your floor plan. For higher accuracy, it's recommended to use the longest wall for this. For instance, we can use one of the external walls. Next, activate Affect Underlying Objects option for the Dimension tool in the inspector. This allows us to resize the image to match the project's scale by setting the size of the Dimension tool to that of the dimension mark in your floor plan image. Now the floor plan and the project are perfectly matched. Finally, we're ready to trace other walls and place furniture at positions indicated on the floor plan. For more information about floor plan creation, see the Creating Floor Plan video tutorial.